Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to explain how you can make a workspace members of your workspace on Monday.com a guest, for example, in 2026. So let us dive into this. So navigate to your workspace on Monday.com, select it here on the left hand side, and next navigate to your administration settings. To access these, click into your profile icon in the top right, select Administration, and here expand in the Directory tab and click into Users. Here guys, you will see the list of all users within your workspace, and under user role you may assign specific roles to the user. Of course, you as the workspace owner will be the admin, which should be pretty obvious, but you can of course change the user role of any other workspace members by clicking into the drop-down menu for the given user and select either admin, member, viewer, or guest. For example, if you just invited the user and the invitation is still pending because the given user hasn't accepted nor declined the invitation yet, you can still change the user role. You can do it of course also later once the invitation has been accepted, but in that way you can invite the given user as a guest, for example, instead of a completely privileged member or viewer. It's up to you guys. That's how we do it. Let me switch to guest. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.